Hello everybody, it is a very tired but still tactically inclined Chandler from TM Airsoft as I sit here at 1 o'clock in the morning on Easter Sunday eating my Lunchable and holy water, which I blessed because I'm a minister. That's badass. And just want to give you a little heads up for the video coming your way very shortly. So we are at Kalamazoo Airsoft in Kalamazoo, Michigan, playing a team deathmatch game. And in this game, there are some buttons, and there are 2 respawns per team with one of these buttons at each one. One respawn is outdoors for each team, and 1 respawn's indoors. Make a total of 4 respawns on the field. But anyways, when you die, you have to press these buttons, and that actually tallies up to an electronic counter, the number of deaths total per team. And by the end of the game, the refs just go over there, check the tallies, and say, hey, this team won because they died less. Which is a really cool system and pretty simplistic, and I was really impressed to see it. With that being said, we also had our good friend Lauren, and she allowed us very graciously to slap a camera on her head, so we got her footage and side of everything too, and she's using a Tokyo Marui AUG a something, I don't know, but it's a really nice, cool gun. And she was really nice for allowing us to throw the camera on her. So eventually she's going to have her channel up. Probably won't be up right now, but boom. If you see that annotation, you better click it. Better click it. And Adam is using his Tokyo Marui KSG, and I'm using my Zap gun. It's just a custom AR thing. Lots of sex in it. Probably. Yeah, let's get to the footage. Oh, wait. Stay tuned for the very end, because probably my best "Are you a YouTuber?" moment happened, and it was pretty golden, so that'll be the very end as a little bonus footage. Thank you guys very much. Let's get to the fighting.
Alright, get ready, guys.
I'm never ready.
2, 1, go, 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 go!
I don't know where to go. They all ran outside, I think. Crossing. Group on following. I got a shit ton of them. Shell out. Oh,
you okay?
My dad. Now you're gonna be on camera punching me, telling my mom on you.
Oh, your mom's gonna get so cold. Kubel, this is rude. I'm kind of spawn camping right now. But who cares, because we're playing team deathmatch.
Am I already out of gas?
Hey, where are you guys?
The garage thingy?
Cool, thank you.
Dude, I hit him. I saw it hit him.
If you are 100% sure,
Oh yeah, I seen it like bounce.
then yeah, go up to him and say, hey dude.
Got him. I swear to God. I'm getting shot in the back.
Oh Jesus. First gas out, then shell out.
This kid's blind firing, but I don't know if that's legal here or not.
It's not. Run, come on.
Is this what we're doing today?
Yep. Should we move?
I mean,
I'm moving downfield.
go for it. You watch my back. Ah! Where is the box that we hit?
There wasn't much pressure in it.
We just. Cool. That's nifty. I like that.
Oh shit.
Lauren, that you?
It's Adam.
Coolio. Oh boy.
This is a bit mean. But I'm super tired.
What is happening? I'm going inside. Kubo, I'm going inside. This field is really...
Yeah, we have the field.
My gun is shooting so inconsistently, it's ridiculous. Do we own the inside already? Got one.
Sorry.
Kubel, where are they?
I don't know. I'm trying to get my cyclone out.
Ah!
Goggles foggy. And out of breath.
That was a grenade.
Howdy.
I just saw you sleeping.
Where at? Do you see him?
Lauren, I'm right here. I just saw our guys move up over there.
Yeah, you see them over there.
Oh shit, I forgot about that. I'll take that off. Thank you.
Chandler, where are they?
Dead ahead of you.
Over that let.
Yeah, in between those.
Oh, saw him. Oh shit. Not pushing that. Hit. Hit!
Sorry. Hit! Well shot. Good shot.
Tight tangles, boy.
Lauren, I'm pretty sure to shoot through something you have to be able to put your head through it. Oh.
What's that?
I think to shoot through something you have to be able to put your head through it.
Damn, okay, my bad. No tight tangles.
I'm gonna run it. Those ricochets fucking hurt. Jesus fuck.
I'm gonna run across, okay? Oh,
Hit!
never mind.
Up.
And stats game, guys. I know there's a lot of spawn camping in this one, but keep in mind it is a 1 acre field with 100 people on it, and the game mode was team deathmatch, so to be able to do that effectively is, well, it's effective. And we did win that game, which is kind of cool. And if you guys would like to see more from this field or follow Dicka, you should definitely consider subscribing. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat, so that's Dicka Airsoft on all of those. Should follow those. But if you guys would like to learn a little bit more in depth of what it is to the YouTube life with 2,500 subscribers, not really YouTube life, stay tuned for this wonderful little clip.
Hey, are you a YouTuber?
What's up?
Are you a YouTuber?
Yes. Dicka Airsoft will be posting videos tomorrow from
Can
today.
you get me in the video?
If you run with me, yes.
Okay. I will follow. Also, got a question.
What's up?
What is your YouTube name?
Dicka Airsoft. It's D-I-C-K-A Airsoft.
Okay.
Yes. And we'll probably be yelling that. We have a giant banner in there.
The tag looks kind, or the profile picture has this on it. Pretty easy to recognize. Oh,
I already followed you on Instagram.
You're the bomb, Diggity. Thank you for that.
On Instagram.
Soon to be YouTube.
Follow us on Snapchat. That way you can Snapchat me.
Or Facebook. That way you can talk to me.
Nope, Facebook doesn't matter.
I guess Facebook doesn't matter.
I just love how that kid approaches me and he just goes, "Are you a YouTuber?" But clearly you just saw that. But that's all we've got for this week, guys. You should definitely consider subscribing, and you should definitely click the last Kalamzoo video because I completely ripped my pants in there and leave myself quite exposed, both out of cover and, well, my pantalones. So until next time, guys, get out there, play Airsoft, enjoy yourself, and I will see you later. This is Chandler from Dicka Airsoft, signing off. See you guys later.